Also practicing that fourth R, which is research. That's why our scientists have built this window to the Pacific. Can I get an ooh? And what comes after ooh? And what comes after ah? Sure, we'll go with that. And right up here, we like to call that our hydrophone. Now, it is kind of like my microphone, but it can actually go in the water, and we can hear all the different chit-chat from different sea creatures. In fact, today we have a very special sea creature joining us. Can anyone guess who it is? Go and shout out his name. That's right, Crush, the sea turtle, will be coming down, and he wants to know more about the human world. So he might ask you some questions, and in turn, you might get a chance to ask Crush questions back. Now, does anyone have a question ready for Crush? Go and raise your hand. Okay, we got 1, 2, got a very, very short show. Yeah, you can ask Crush anything, like anything at all. You can ask him what's his favorite color, what's his shell made out of, what's his perfect day look like. You can ask him anything. Now, if by any chance during our conversation you need to exit out early for any reason at all, that is perfectly fine. You're going to exit out one of these 3 doors on this side and this side only. We have our wonderful usher in the back, Hector, who we're happy to assist you. Everyone, please turn around and give Hector a big tidal wave. Hi, Hector. Hector will help you out in any way, shape, or form if you need it. Also, the lights will be dimming down, so please remain seated where you're at. And again, if you are on the seafloor, make sure you stay inside that solid blue area and not in those wavy, stripy parts. Yeah, those wavy, stripy areas, we like to call that a fire hazard. Because if I step on you, I get fired, and I consider that a hazard. So yeah, make sure you're only inside that solid blue. Now the moonfish here are going to help me tell you to please put away your food, seal away those drinks, refrain from smoking, and pictures are allowed. Just make sure you turn off the light and the flash. With the flash, everyone get a round of applause for the moonfish. All right, now Crush is swimming around. He's saying you're ready to go to shout out his name. So on the count of 3, we're going to shout out, "Hey Crush." 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Crush! Oh, dude! Righteous, yeah! Dude! Oh, dude, scope out the double spinner intro by the turtle. Whoa, dude, check out the humans in the people tank. Hello, human dudes. Alright, delayed reaction, but they live. Hey, dudes. No way. Hey, Carlos, dude, is that you?
Sure is, Crush Man.
Hey, Carlos, you think it'll help me make contact with these human dudes?
Let's do it.
Sure. Well, dude, let's just go over here in the seats on this side. First row, first noggin.
Yep.
Sure. Hey, little dude, what's your name?
Say Noah. Noah.
I'm getting some strong Noah vibes, dude. Hey, Noah, dude, it's nice to meet you. Totally gonna give you, like, a turtle nickname. I'm thinking North Shore Noah, dude. Sure. Hey, dude, do you know how to talk like a turtle?
Yes.
Well, that's okay if you don't, dude. I can totally teach you. All right, go ahead and say, totally. That's pretty close. All right, can you say sweet? Oh, no worries, dude. Human dude, let's go ahead and help him out. Everyone say sweet.
Sweet.
Oh, dude, awesome. All right, we're gonna mash them together and say, totally sweet. Yeah, dude, that was totally sweet. Human dudes, put your flippers together for all my turtle talkers. Oh. Hey, Carlos, let's go ahead and talk to the bigger dude that Noah's clinging on to. Hey, dude, what's your name?
Miguel.
Oh, nice to meet you, Miguel, dude. What is your relationship to the Noah?
I just found him.
I don't believe you. No, really, dude, what's your relationship?
I'm his dad.
Oh, sweet. Oh, how many little ones you have in total, dude?
Just one.
Oh, dude, that's awesome. Me, I just have 65. You should try that.
Maybe.
I like that can-do attitude, dude, but it will change you. So, Papa Miguel, does Noah ever ask you, like, any questions?
No, he doesn't.
Kind of caught that vibe, yeah. Well, dude, that's all right. You know, my little dudes, they always ask me things all the time, and I never have any of the answers. Dude, did you just feel that?
Feel what?
Dude, we just shared a parental bonding moment. Hey, it was awesome talking with you, dude. But check it out, human dudes. I'm totally a turtle on a mission. You see my youngest son, Squirt? It totally wants to know about the human world. But dudes, I totally don't have those answers. If you could help me out with that, say chaw.
Chaw.
Oh, you so totally rock.
Dude.
No way, some of you know the lingo, sweet. For the rest of you dudes, just follow their lead. So whenever a sea turtle says, you so totally rock, proper response is gonna be dude. Really loud. So let's try it again, human dudes. You so totally rock. Now we're all talking turtle. So, human dude, Squirt totally wants to know if any of you can swim. So if you can totally swim, totally raise those fins, dude. My Mondo human shredders. Okay. Dude, not all the adults know how to swim.
Yeah, no.
Who taught the kids? All right, let me go ahead and rephrase. Raise your fin if you've ever been swimming before. In your life. En tu vida. All right, let's go over here in the seats. second row, first noggin, dude.
You got it.
Sure. Hey, dude, what's your name?
Oh, Camille.
Oh, nice to meet you, Captain Camille, dude. You should have seen your face when you realized it was you. Yeah, dude, you're all like, ha! Hey, so Camille, where are you from?
Los Angeles.
Oh, world traveler, all right. Well, where's your favorite beach to go to, dude?
Santa Monica.
Oh, yeah, Santa Monica, dude. Pacific Park is where it's at, sure. Hey, you big time surfer over there?
No.
Bummer. Well, dude, if you're not surfing it up, like, what are your land hobbies? Like, what do you do for fun?
Hiking.
What is hiking?
Walking.
And then what?
You keep walking.
And then what?
You keep walking and you go home.
All right, so for fun, you walk, and you come back, and you're done.
Yeah. What do you do for fun?
Well, I just like surf and stuff, dude. I go all over the Pacific Ocean. I chill out with my familia. I get to eat some of this stuff down here, the green seagrass. It's actually totally my favorite food. In fact, I eat so much of it, it turns me and my shell this most righteous shade of green. That's pretty awesome. Oh, but dude, where are my manners? I've been doing all the talking with my new bestie, Camille. Human dudes, now it's your turn. If you've got a question, totally raise those fins. Okay, okay. Right next to you, dude, in the seats. Third row, first noggin.
Yep.
Other side.
Yep.
Hey, dude, what's your name?
Dasha,
Nice to meet you, Deep Sea Dasha, dude. So, like, what's your question?
who's your best friend?
Oh, dude. Well, I got a lot of besties. You know, there's like Marlin, aka the Jelly Man. There's Dory, aka Little Blue. But I think like my best bestie is probably my new dad, Shelly. Yeah, we've been together for 130 years, but it's so romantical. Feels like the first 75. Oh, who's your best friend, dude?
My best friend's Nicole.
Oh, sweet. Is she here?
No.
Oh. Okay. Well, dude, the next time you see Nicole, you gotta tell him the Crush Man said hi, okay?
I will.
Sure. Hey, while I got your attention, you might be able to help me out with something. You see, I found this human thing. I just don't know what it is. Hey, Dasha, dude, do you know what this thing is?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, do you know how to use it?
Yeah, you put your hand in it and you wave it around. And you said, cheering on your favorite team.
Okay, so I wave it around like this.
Yep.
Now what?
You can go back and forth, left and right.
This is the best I can do without elbows, dude. Do I say something?
You can swim around.
Okay. Well, I think I was using this all wrong. You see, my buddy Jeff the Dolphin, he was all like, hey, Crush, where's the EAC? I'm like, dude, it's like right over there, dude. Hey, but thanks for your help anyway, Dasha, dude. You so totally rock! Oh, human dudes, who else got a quizzy for me? Totally raise those fins up, dude. Okay, let's go over here in this tide pool near the top corner. Little dude there with like the dark, short sleevey shows. Hey, dude, what's your name?
Alyssa.
Nice to meet you, Aqua Alyssa. What's your question?
My question is, what is your favorite food to eat with your best friend?
Well, the same food I eat all the time, dude. The green seagrass and the green sea kelp. It's the reason why I'm totally this green color, dude. What do you like to eat?
I like to eat chips.
Oh, chips, sweet. But personal question, you ever eat so much of the chips that you get the bubbles?
Yes.
Oh, dude, I appreciate the honesty. You know me, whenever I eat the yellow seagrass, I get a wicked case of the bubs, dude. That's why I said no more yellow seagrass. What? Hey, you human dudes know my friend Dory, right? All right, let's pretend we're her and forget that ever happened. Hey, but it was nice talking to you, dude. You so totally rock. Sean, oh, hey, Jelly Dude, what's going on?
Oh, hello, Crush. I'm trying to get away from a turtle pile.
Oh, dude, you totally want to get into a turtle pile. Human Dude shouted out, turtle pile!
No, please, I just got away from a turtle pile. No! Stop! Oh, too much! No!
All right, dudes, ease up. Time to go grab a wave on the EAC.
Thanks a lot, Crush.
For what, Jelly Man?
The turtle pile?
Oh, Human Dudes, one more time. Turtle pile! Dude, he's so good with my kids. Well, does anyone else have a quizzy for me, dude? Okay, I don't know if you can reach Carlos, but we're gonna try over here, second row, second noggin.
You got it.
Hey, dude, what's your name?
Shayla?
Nice to meet you, Shark Attack Shayla, dude. So, like, what's your question?
Do you like sushi?
Dude, you do know that's fish, right?
Yeah.
You do know, like, that's some of my friends, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta introduce you to some friends of mine, Bruce, Anchor, and Chum. You see, they got this 12-step program called Fish Are Friends, Not Food. Would you be willing to join?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's awesome. Remember, the first step is admitting you have a problem. Oh, dude, well, that's pretty cool, dude. Hey, thanks a lot. Whoa, dude, that's my buddy Bailey. Human Dude, let's go ahead and call him over. Let's see that sound he makes. Let's go.
Crush! Hey!
Well, hey, Bailey, dude, what's going on?
Oh my goodness, funny looking humans, huh?
Dude, Bailey, the hydrophone is on. They can, like, totally hear you, dude.
No, they can't. Watch this. Hi, humans!
You see, dude?
Oh, okay. Why didn't you tell me?
Well, I tried to, dude, but you're all like...
Wait. Ooh, I'm getting something.
Ooh, what is it, dude?
Wow. Every human in the seats has a shiny rectangle that lights up. That's weird.
Oh, yeah, dude, those are called shell phones.
Later, Crush.
Oh, Bailey, shell phones. Weird, I thought that joke would get better, like, reception. Human Dudes, that was my buddy Bailey. He's got this sweet thing called echolocation. Hey, Squirt Dude, done with the Jelly Man already?
Dad, come on. Time to ride the EAC, dude.
Correctamundo, Squirt. Well, Human Dudes, Familia calls. I totally got a jet. But before I go, let me leave you with this bit of turtle wisdom. Human Dudes, always remember, or else you'll forget. All right, I'm out of here. And remember, you so totally rock.
Dude! Give a round of applause for Crush, everyone. Bye, Crush. All right, folks, the exit doors are now open. Thank you so much for joining us, and enjoy the rest of your evening here at Disney California Adventure. Bye, everyone. Bye. Thanks for coming. Have fun out there. Make new memories. And always remember what Dory says, because she doesn't. See you later, everyone. Check out the Animation Academy across the way. You can learn to draw a real Disney character by a real Disney artist. Yeah, none of those fake characters like Ricky Rouse or Monty Mutt, the real ones. See you later, everyone. Catch you later, and then we'll release you. Bye. Say dude as much as you can out there. The people around you will love it. Bye, have fun, and never forget that fish are friends, not food or cosigners. Learn that one the hard way. See you later, everyone.